Ever played your favorite song and thought, wow, this sounds like it was recorded inside a potato? Yeah, same. So I went hunting for a music player that actually treats sound like royalty, and I found a Shanling M7t. Let's see if this thing is audiophile magic or just expensive pocket jewelry. If you're searching for a serious portable music player and don't want to waste time or money, stick till the end. I'll tell you exactly who should buy this and who should run away politely. First off, this feels premium. Solid body, sharp screen, smooth controls, and it screams I take music seriously. It runs Android so you can install apps like Spotify, Apple Music, or Tidal instead of being stuck with basic local playback. That alone makes it way more practical than old school players. Now the real star, sound. The M7T uses dual JAN6418 tubes plus AKM flagship DACs. In human language, tube mode gives you warmer, richer, more emotional sound. Vocals feel alive, instruments feel textured. Switch to transistor mode and it becomes cleaner and sharper for detail lovers. I tested both styles of music. Acoustic tracks sounded beautifully natural in tube mode, while electronic music stayed punchy and controlled in transistor mode. This dual personality is not a gimmick, you actually hear the difference. Performance is smooth thanks to the Snapdragon processor and 6 GB RAM. Scrolling, streaming, switching apps, no frustrating lag. You also get Bluetooth both ways. Wi-Fi streaming, micro SD expansion up to huge storage, and support for ultra high resolution formats like PCM, 768kHz, and DSD. Basically, it plays anything you throw at it. Battery life around a full day of normal listening, which is solid for a high power audio device. So here's the truth, if you use cheap earbuds on the bus, this is overkill. But if you own good headphones, love detailed sound, or want a portable player that actually competes with desktop audio quality, this makes sense. It's built for people who listen, not just play music in the background. Bottom line, the Shanling M7T isn't for everyone, but for serious music lovers. It's a pocket-sized concert hall. If you want more honest reviews like this, hit subscribe and go give your ears the upgrade they deserve. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.